Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 4 mai. Vous avez Duolingo 8 pour le 18 mai. Work on your Duolingo today for about 10 minutes. That should help you keep up so that you can be done with your Duolingo assignment by the 18th of May. Today, again, you're going to practice writing sentences about a picture, including the month, where they are, what the weather is like, what they're doing, and what's going to happen later. Plus tard. So I'm going to read this one again. Each picture is from different French-speaking countries. This one's from Senegal. So you can see a picture here with a lion because in Senegal there's still a lot more wildlife than we have around here. But it is a zoo, so this is not a completely wild lion. So listen to the sentences and then you're going to write your own sentences for the following 3 pictures and turn that in for today. On y va. Au Sénégal, c'est mai, il est au zoo, il fait chaud, il y a du soleil, il joue avec les lions, et plus tard, il va au restaurant. So this is the second paragraph. Again, you see this is au Sénégal. Senegal is on the coast, so they have really nice beaches, and here you see a group of people playing on the beach. So again, you're going to come up with a month, the place, which is the beach or the ocean, the weather that you see in the picture, the activity that they seem to be doing, and what you think they're going to do later. So fill in the blanks and write full sentences. Make sure you include the whole sentence. C'est, and then what's happening. Ils sont, the weather. Ils, what they're doing. Plus tard, ils vont. So all those words have to be included in your sentences. And then have it either written out or put it into a Google Doc, whatever is easier. You don't have to include the words in English that you can remove. Here's the next one. This is in France, en France. You can tell because it's the Tour Eiffel. They created a park here for skateboarders. So again, weather month-wise, you can kind of pick any month you want. Where is he, right? The guy that's doing this, he's at the park. What's the weather's like? It's pretty cloudy, but it also looks like it's warm. What he's doing, he's skateboarding, so that's one of our new words. Make sure you put that in. And later, what do you think he's going to do? Okay, last one for today. This is another picture en France. From the flowers, you can tell it's spring. People are on their bike ride, right? So again, pick a month in the springtime. C'est, where are they? They're in the countryside. So that's one of our new vocab words. So make sure you say ils sont and then in the countryside. Next, weather. So it's a beautiful day. It looks like it's sunny. Also, there are clouds. Right, whichever one you like, or just it's really nice out. Then what are they doing? Ils font, and then finish that with the expression for bike riding. And then what's going to happen later? Plus tard, ils vont. Finish that up, and then submit this with all 3 paragraphs together. Again, writing full sentences as you go.